I have the OnePlus Nord CE6, and in this video I'll show you how to set up two WhatsApp accounts or how to get dual WhatsApp on this phone. So as you can see, I've already installed WhatsApp on my phone, and to get dual WhatsApp all I have to do is go into settings, and then under settings you want to scroll down and select apps. Tap on apps, then you want to select app cloner. If it's your first time, you're going to have to agree to the statement of use. Tap on agree and continue, and you should see WhatsApp. So tap on WhatsApp and then toggle on create app clone. So you want to toggle this option on just like that. Wait for it to create a clone, and then you can rename your WhatsApp clone. You can tap on that and rename it to whatever you want, or you can simply tap on this and then select whether to open the original app or the app clone. So for this particular one, let's select the app clone because that's what we want to open. And then now if you go back to the app drawer, as you can see, there are two instances of WhatsApp on this particular phone. So if you have a dual SIM inserted into this phone, you can simply set one of the SIM cards using one of the WhatsApp accounts, and then you can tap on the other one and do the same, and they're going to launch with different phone numbers. But that's basically how to get or how to set up dual WhatsApp on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. If this was useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Questions and comments down below. Until the next video, take care and God bless.